क्या कर रही है? वीडियो कैप्चर ऑफ करो। इसको डिलीट कर दो, रिमूव। इसके वजह से थोड़ा सा डिले हो रहा था। ठीक है। देखो आ गए अपन। देखो आ गए। देखो। दिख रहा है? Beautiful solution. Valid perfect square. Give a positive integers num. Return true if num is a perfect square. Means perfect square in an integer, that's the square of an integer. In other words, it's a product of some integers with itself. So Prerequisite we don't need to use the sqrt. Okay, इंटरनल फंक्शन यूज नहीं करना है. Okay. Hmm. Shortly we will make this question. Okay, अपन लोग को ढूंढना है लेकिन परफेक्ट स्क्वायर क्या है. ओके, ब्यूटीफुल सॉल्यूशन. सिंस हम लोग को सर्च करना है, दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू यूज द सर्चिंग एल्गोरिथम. ओके, लीनियर सर्च से बन जाएगा. नाउ ब्यूटीफुल सॉल्यूशन इसका लीनियर सर्च होगा कि लीनियर सर्च से कैसे बना सकते हैं. और एक मिनट. Okay, we will make these questions. Method that is returning the boolean type. Okay, and इसका नाम रखते हैं brute. Let's make only brute. And ये parameters लेगा एक num जिसका हमें find करना है. Okay, now what we will do, we will make one, we will make one temp variable and initialize with 0. Initially we will have to store the 0 variable, I mean 0 inside that temp, and एक for loop use कर सकते हैं for the looping loop, and that for loop start with 1. Okay, I equals to 1, I is less than equals to num. Okay, and I plus plus. Okay, what we will do now, inside that temp we will just do I. If temp equals to num, now we need to compare that, then we need to return true. Okay, else, okay, let's say जो num है हम लोग अगर उससे sometimes let's say 4 है, 16 तक हम लोग को काउंट करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो जैसे ही temp का जो वैल्यू है वो num से exceed करेगा, we need to break that loop, and after that we need to return the either we yeah, we need to break that loop. So if temp का वैल्यू जैसे ही बड़ा हो जाता है num से, then we need to return false, और hence exist नहीं करता यहाँ पे. I think that makes sense. Now return that, return this brute and pass as an argument num. I guess it work. It's not an optimized solution. Okay, compilation error. Okay, okay. We need to return as well. Sorry, false. I guess we will get that correct answer. Yeah, it's running now. If we will want to submit this, then I don't think we every test cases will pass from this code piece of code, I think. Yeah, it's time exceeding. Yeah. So इसका optimized solution we can make. Since it's a brute force solution, its time complexity is O of n. Why order of n? Um, yeah, order of n, because it's going and checking every numbers one by one. So that's why it's so optimized solution we can make binary search. Okay. How can we solve that through binary search? How can we do that? We can do let's say for example हम लोग 4 लेते हैं. So the perfect square for the 4 is the number 2. 2 is the perfect, I mean 2 का square equals to 4. That means it's a perfect square of a number. So binary search, since we are starting from 1 and going till the end, till the number, that what's number, till that number. तो in that case हम लोग ascending order में जा रहे हैं. तो ascending order, that means either the number is in ascending order or descending order, so we can use that binary search. क्योंकि binary search always ascending या descending order में कोई भी अगर number या फिर कोई भी array में कोई भी number अगर दिया रहता है, that means we can use. Okay. Okay. Optimize solution. ठीक है. And we will make another, oh sorry, it's not int type return, it's a boolean type, so we will give the method name is optimize. Okay, and inside that optimize we will pass an parameter which is num itself. Then so binary search का फंडा क्या होता है? Binary search का फंडा ये होता है like कि we are just dividing the number, I mean dividing that number in two parts, means n by 2. And shout out to Joel Rahman, he's asking for a shout out. Okay, voice low आ रहा है. I think I don't think कि voice might be. Let me see my volume mic and ask. Is it good now? Hello. I guess. Hello. Yeah. I guess it's better now. Okay. Thanks for the confirmation, Zaul. Yeah, actually, sometimes my network is not. My network is not working great. I'm using Wi-Fi. Actually, we are trying to do something different on our channel. So we have started from past couple of days. I was thinking कि कहाँ से start कर सकते हैं? How can we come live? So that's why मैं सोचा कि let's try. हाँ भाई भिंगा के मार लो भाई तुम. Start the session, sir. Definitely, definitely. We will start the session. We will do the podcast and all. We'll try to touch all the questions that is revolving in IT fields. Oh, from Bangalore. Yeah, how is the weather, Joel, in the Bangalore? Yeah, we need to solve that question. So in binary search, we have to give the two pointer and one pointer which is we start with mid. Yeah, we will start from one and that end will be num itself. Okay, क्योंकि नंबर तो वहीं पे खत्म हो रहा है वहीं तक we will need to and we will now give the condition in a while loop that कभी भी जो start है वो end से छोटा नहीं होना चाहिए wherever. Okay, awesome. Well, start is less than end, so we will do one thing. We need to made one mid. That mid we need to search. Uh, Mid is always we can find the mid start plus end divided by 2. We have to take the average of that number. Now here's the solution. Here's the a question in your mind that in line number 35, sorry, start plus yeah, start plus end minus start divided by 2. Why I have written end minus start? Sometimes the memory will overflow. That's why sometimes the data is given, so it will, the mid size will be greater or something. So that's why for the uh, overflow, I mean for not overflow that mid value, so we are using this formula. Okay. And now we will set the condition like agar mid, if we will get that value means that अगर mid का value जो num है अगर let's say उससे बड़ा है तो that means we need to search on the right, and if the values of the num is less than mid so we need to search at the left. Mid is greater than num, so we num अगर mid बड़ा है num से that means we need to search at left, so then we need to take that pointer
to the end pointer to the mid minus 1. Else if mid is less than num, let's say num is greater and mid is less, so then we need to take that start pointer to the mid plus 1. Else if both conditions fails, that sometimes yeah, both conditions fail, and if the num is equals to mid, then we simply need to return that mid value. Not mid, we need to return the true, since we found that perfect square. अगर हमें नहीं मिलता, then we will give it false here, right? Optimize, we will give here, return that, and pass the num. I guess we good to go. Run that program. Okay, we got what happened in that case. Num equals to 14. Hmm. The case 14. Now we need to dry run. Wait a second. We can dry run by doing. Hmm. Hmm. Start will be 1, end will be 14, and mid will be 14 plus 1 divided by 2. It's 15 by 2. That means 7 will be the mid. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, one very important thing. One of my friend has, if you are new to my channel and if you are watching this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's get back to the question. Then at the mid, is it 14 is high? Yep. We have either we. Let's sorry, we will get an error. and that 8 will be mid is less than num, that mid is less than num then. Okay, and end will be 14 and 8 plus 14 will be like 8 plus 14, it's 22 by 2, it's 11. Now mid is at 11. To 11, I guess it's still less than, still less than, still num is greater than mid. Then what it will do? It will then start value will be 11 and still it is 14 and that 14 will be and the mid value will be 25 by 2 equals to, yep, we will get 12, right? So now 12 is the new mid. Now what it will do is like 12 is mid now. We will again search it. Then again we will go mid is less than num. Then it will store the value 12 plus 14. Now it's 26, 26, 26 by 2 means 13. Now mid is now 13. Still it is less. Then it will go to 13. 13 will be the new start. Now 14 will be the end. And now the 13 plus 27, 27 by now 13 will be the mid. Still 13 will be the mid. Now again, yeah, actually I'm solving that question, bro. Is it fine now? I guess I need to check my solution that why what I am doing wrong. Not in the solution. Go to the descriptions and since I have already solved that question, my submission. Yo, it's less than okay. Same thing I'm doing. Then why it's not giving less than num? Then we are just shifting that mid into. Okay, sorry. Done one wrong thing. It's very, it's a wrong thing. And very blunder mistake I've did. Since the question is telling we need to find a perfect square number. So we are not numbering, we are just mid into mid. We are not storing that value. Now we will need to check with temp. Just remove that. Okay, and give it to long because long will hold the maximum during doing very blunder mistake. Yeah, it's now running. We need to submit that square. I 20 minutes to solve this question. That's quite huge. Yeah, now the few seconds ago, we successfully are beating 100%. Now, next question we are going to solve this one. Those who are on the chat or watching my video, yeah, these questions I've already solved, bro. Just remove that file. Find smallest letter greater than target. So you are given an array of a character letters that is sorted in non-decreasing order and a character target. Okay, that target need to find, I guess. There are at least two different characters in letter. Okay, means that we have an array minimum of two is there. Okay, characters in letters. Return the smallest characters in letters that is greater than target. If such character does not exist, return the first character in letter. Okay. अगर हमें target अगर नहीं मिलता है then we need to return अगर नहीं मिलता then we need to return the for the index 1 value, okay, which is inside that letter character array. Okay, how can we do that? um, from brute force solution we can make through linear search. We need to we can do the brute force solution through linear solution. We can make linear search. Linear search we can make. Okay, let's make one method. Linear search, and that will return the char. Okay, the char value. Or we can return directly int, and that int will be okay. And it's since it's a brute, we will name as a brute, and it is taking, sorry, char array. I will give the name as the ARR, and there is a char target. So linearly we can do one thing, like we will we will start through I equals to 0 and I is less than ARR dot length and I plus plus. Okay, that will do. And now we need to search. If ARR of I is equals to target, okay, whatever, then simply we need to return that index uh, value. If we will not getting, then simply we need to return 0. And that the brute, and we will pass that letters as well as the target. Okay, and we need to return, no, return, sorry, letters of, I guess. Okay, we're finding C, then why it's giving F? It's giving F. Target is C. Target is C. Why it is expecting F? Okay, sorry. Okay, okay, okay. Question is like the smallest character that is greater than A. Means whatever the target is giving we need to find this which is greater than itself. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Anurag. Thanks for appreciating me. How can we do that? We can find that value linearly. Smallest character. Smallest character. Okay. How can we do that? Smallest. Smallest character. We find that the character. Wherever we find that character, we need to check. Wherever we find that character, let's say we find that um, we which is greater. Okay, here we can see here we the target is C, then the output will be that's just greater we find. If f not equals to, just greater, then return I. Is so I think the problem is asking to return the character, not the index. Yeah, I'm not returning the index. I'm just uh, putting the index value in the main method, not in the main, in the next great character letter. Uh, I made my method, the brute method, which is returning the index wherever the value uh, in that array, the values exist. I guess the brute solution will work, but the time limit will be exceeded, I guess. Okay, how is it beating? I don't know how. But we can also solve this question by through binary search. In the binary search, we can also do that solution since it's a non-decreasing order character of array of character. I didn't know, sir. No, thank you for clarifying. One more thing, like the quality of the video is good, na? Please confirm in the live chat. We can do this solution by, so let's make more optimized solution through binary search. Hmm. s- let's give it the name optimized and just pass. I'm not going to write this. I'll copy and paste here. See, since it's an easy problem, since it's an easy problem of lead code, whoever makes that lead codes problems are, you know, it's very difficult to solve even easy problems. देखो इजी डिफिकल्ट उन लोगों के लिए होता है लाइक कि दोज हु डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द टॉपिक्स वेयर टू यूज विच algorithms इन विच क्वेश्चंस सो दैट इज द मेन प्रॉब्लम्स बिकॉज मैंने खुद फील किया इस चीज़ को लेकर के कि we don't have any clear view or clear vision who comes from tier 3 colleges, right? Those who do, those who get good package from the tier 3 colleges, they are exceptionals, okay? But on an average, if we will see, even I also see on my on average person, we all are clueless that from where we want to study. Sorry, there are lots of things on the internet that we totally confuse that अरे भाई चलो लब्बबर का पढ़ लेते हैं अरे भाई चलो स्ट्राइवर का पढ़ लेते हैं अरे भाई चलो कुणाल कुशवाहा का पढ़ लेते हैं सो देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स सो थिंक फर्स्ट कि तुम्हें करना क्या है इन माय ओपिनियन इफ यू वांट टू स्टार्ट द डीएसए तो इट्स क्लियरली स्टार्ट विथ टॉपिक वाइज not just start the questions randomly like striver का अगर तुमने देखोगे A to Z वाला जो questions दिया no doubt it's a pretty good things to prepare for an interview perspective, right? So these are the things I would like to tell you. क्या मैं feel करता हूँ and also even I am also from the tier 3 college and it's still I'm hustling for the product based company. Hope so कि मैं भी crack कर पाऊँ इस चीज़ को but मेहनत consistency is the main thing. Why everybody likes Cristiano Ronaldo? Because the discipline, the way he the way he manages routine, the way he manages time, that is the main thing. Okay, let's get back. बहुत प्रवचन हो गया जिसको बोलते हैं. Let's get back to the question. How can we solve these questions very optimized way? Since linearly तो हो गया ये question linear search से अब binary search से हम लोग कैसे solve कर सकते हैं? Joel is saying that you are better than Ronaldo. I'm not better than Ronaldo. If I was the better than Ronaldo, then I was in the place of Ronaldo, and Ronaldo is in place of mine. How can we solve this question now? Anurag sir, I'm not the motivator. I'm not a philosopher who go everybody everywhere and just give the motivations. वो क्या बोलते हैं? I'm not the संदीप महेश्वरी. बस ट्राई कर रहा हूँ कि शायद मेरे वजह से भी कोई किसी और का भी भला हो जाए. That's the main motive. Even when I've started my YouTube channel, then this is the main motive that कि कैसे दूसरे का हेल्प करा जा सकता है बिकॉज इवन मैं भी बहुत सारा चीज़ ऐसा फील करा हूँ लाइक कि देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स it's very confusing. Even I'm from co background, right? Not as purely computer science from the computer science background. So clearly vision नहीं था. So मैं भी जानता हूँ कि if anybody is coming from tier 3 college and who and more worst thing like he's from core background even तो उसको तो और भी नहीं पता होगा कि करना क्या है. So that's why little bit curious and थोड़ा सा चाहता हूँ कि दूसरे का भी help हो जाए by sharing little bit knowledge जो मुझे मिलता है. Now let's get back. Question. Optimize solution. Binary search में फिर एक problem है. Let's say we find that the character. Okay. Okay. If we not found that character in an array. Okay. Let's make with start equals to sorry 0, and the pointer will be pointing at arr dot length minus 1. Okay. Now always remember, in a binary search, that start pointer never, that start, give it condition like that. Okay, the start will, whenever the start will cross the pointer and the end will be less than a start, then the loop will be break. Okay. Now we need to divide this array into two parts, in the right and left. So how can we do? By searching the mid. How can we search that mid? Start plus n minus start divided by 2. Okay, it's now we need to give the set of condition. Let's say let's say हमारा जो टारगेट वैल्यू है, लेट्स से हमारा जो टारगेट वैल्यू है वो मिड से बड़ा है. टारगेट वैल्यू इज ग्रेटर देन मिड. तो उस कंडीशन में क्या करते हैं, अगर टारगेट अगर हमारा बड़ा है मिड से, then we need to shift that start pointer to mid. Start equals to mid plus 1. That's the main thing. Else, if, अगर मान के चलो टारगेट अगर लेस देन मिड है, अगर हमें टारगेट अगर लेस देन मिड है, तो उस कंडीशन में वी नीड टू, टारगेट अगर लेस देन मिड है, देन हमें राइट का कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, तो देन वी विल शिफ्ट दैट एंड पॉइंटर टू मिड माइनस 1. ऑलवेज थिंक द बाइनरी सर्च. अगर हमें टारगेट अगर मिल गया है, लेट्स से वी फाउंड दैट टारगेट एट सम प्लेस, तो क्वेश्चन में क्या बोल रहा है, वी नीड टू रिटर्न what, we need to return the larger value, means whatever just comes after that uh, target value, target character. Simply we need to return that index I plus 1. Okay. ठीक है. अगर हमें टारगेट अगर नहीं मिलता, then we need to simply return the zero value. There is one bug in this code. I'll elaborate later. Let's first run this code. We'll pass the target value Okay, just and run. I hope we will get the answer. Okay, where is that? Hmm, it's not brute, it's optimize. Cannot symbol. Okay, okay. We need to mid plus one. We need to return. Let's say there is C. We found C. Hmm. हमें टारगेट मिला. ठीक है. Let's say target मिला ही नहीं. Target मिला तो we are returning this. Okay. Target से बड़ा चाहिए. Okay, we will try run that case. Let's E, S, E, and M. Make that if condition and the target is greater than mid. Okay. Else if the target is less than mid. Okay. If we find that the starting pointer is 0 and ending pointer is, we will take an example for the example 1. Starting pointer will be 0, ending pointer will be, let's skip for the example 2. Okay. And ending pointer is 0, 1, 2. Yeah, 2. The mid will be like, the mid will be like 0, 2, then 2, 2, 1 is the mid. Okay, now the pointer is at C, F, and yeah, C, F, and E, C, F, and J. Okay, and now the pointer is at mid will be is at 1, then the mid is at, let's say we found an element F. Okay, then what we are returning? We haven't found that value yet. Then this is no need, bro. Okay, let's say we found a value. We don't need to find the value. Okay, okay, it's in the Z. Then F is there. So then what is starter pointer? We need to start equals to mid plus 1. if अगर target अगर बड़ा है तो mid plus 1, अगर छोटा है तो end equals to mid minus 1. Okay, then start equals to that then we will need to mid plus 1. The mid is what? Mid is 1. 1 plus 1, that is means 2, and end is 2, and mid is at mid is 2 plus 2 4. Mid is also at 2. 0 1 2. We will not get the answer still. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. How I have submitted this question. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay, target is less than 3. Okay, good, good. Okay, the problem is that, mm-hmm, don't let us, okay, just return directly copy this. Mm-hmm, start modulo to letters dot length. Okay, we'll do one thing. Hmm. Hmm. Where it is given that length minus 1. Okay, okay. There is no error, na? Letters dot length. Hmm. Okay. Got the problem that what we are doing here. The problem is that we are just Letters of mid. This is the things. Letters of mid. Start model letters dot length. What is giving me? Still we are getting the error. I don't know why it's giving error. While start, okay, while start is less than, and we have just giving the mid value, and that mid value is checking if error dot length is a target letters dot mid. Okay, अगर ये बड़ा होता है, that means we need to give the mid plus one. Okay, that is correct. When if it is not, then why it's giving the error? I don't know why. When I put this piece of code, when I put this piece of code in there, then definitely it will run. I don't know why it's giving. Look here, it will run now. Okay, okay, okay. I have not given the start and false. S- Why I'm giving the temp here? There is no need for the temp. Look, it's run. I don't know why it's okay. Same thing we have done. Only we are just what is. Let's try run that case. What is happening? There we are just again doing, and where we are just dot let start dot letter because we want the higher value. So if we found the start will override, the start will go beyond to end. End will be not our answer. So that's why here we are giving the return inside the section we are giving the model or whatever the value we got here. Let's say letter dot length. So we will get that value and return back the character we need to return back. This question done in two ways. Now search in search position. I think pretty much good for today. Thanks for joining and thanks for joining our channel to watch. We will continue this session. We will continue these types of things. We will try to upload or try to go live to understand the live process on YouTube. That how can we do that? Okay. And especially time who have joined our channel and watch my video. Thanks for joining and hope um, we will continue this. Try to solve the lead code problems lively on our YouTube channel from onwards. Yeah, thanks for watching this video.